So, hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. My name is Sahil and you're watching Sahil Blogs. So today's blog is really going to be about men's grooming, because there were a lot of questions coming, bro, how do you maintain your skin or your hair, because there's a lot of things. So today finally I will be unboxing. भाई अनबॉक्सिंग ही तो है जो दुनिया में रखा है, और रखा ही क्या है। अगर आपको एक यूट्यूबर बनना है तो भाई अनबॉक्सिंग दिल से करना। अनबॉक्सिंग में जो मज़ा है वो किसी में नहीं है मेरे भाई। तो आइए अभी अनबॉक्स करते हैं, और ये अनबॉक्सिंग के साथ साथ आपको ये भी दिखाएंगे कि कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए, हमारे फेस के लिए। सो आज की टॉपिक होगी, आप लोग जैसे थंबनेल देख ही लोगे, दिस टॉपिक इज़ अबाउट फेस वॉश एंड वाओ की प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में। सो ऑलवेज सैनिटाइज योर प्रोडक्ट लाइक हैंड्स बिफोर ओपनिंग एनी पार्सल एंड ऑल। सो ओके, ये है लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई ऑर्डर्ड, आई वांट टू शो यू गाइस। ओके, नंबर 2, number 3 and number 4. So as you can see guys, these are the things which I actually ordered. One is Wow's vitamin C face wash, one is Wow vitamin C face serum, another one is vitamin C face cream, and the last one is, everybody knows, the aloe vera gel. So what are the actual and why should we use Wow products? First of all, it's not a promotion video. Let me tell you one thing, I bought it on my own. Okay, so this is your vitamin C foaming face wash, right? So let's see. Okay, so this is our vitamin C face wash. It's a foaming face wash which comes with a clip. As we know, it's a very famous product of Wow, and though it's very useful, we'll check on how it actually helps and what are the benefits. Number 1, so let's give it back. Number 2 is Wow's face serum. Okay, so even it comes with a clip. Let's see, we'll use and let you guys know. And the third is Wow's, okay, this is vitamin C face cream. I think this is a nice, wow. Okay, so as you can see, I think it's kind of a very nice. Okay, so whatever, and as everybody knows, this is an aloe vera face gel which you can use any time of the day you want. Even if you want, you can use in the night. Actually, it's better to use this when like this one when you're actually going to sleep, before sleep, because it can heal your skin, and only Wow gives you 99% of aloe vera gel. Okay, because other contains chemical and all the paragon, and entire range of products which Wow has, it really is absolutely of like no paragon, nothing. Like it's absolutely, it's written over here, no sulfate, no silicone, no color, no parabens, nothing. It's also dermatology tested, so you can trust on these products. And well, it's says that it's formulated in USA. It's like cruelty free. It's not tested on animals. The all products ingredients came from Himalayas, and it's gluten free. So probably for sale in India, in Bhutan, Nepal only. It's a local product, so we should use the products and show you how it is beneficial, and you can get just instant result with these products whenever you're using them. So step by step we're gonna use the face wash first, then we're going to use the serum, then we use the cream, and in the night we're going to use